Hello and welcome back to art class. Today we are going to be transferring our photos from Seesaw to our actual Photos app on the iPad. We are doing this because we're going to be doing a virtual art show this year, and in order to upload photos to that virtual space, we have to have everything in the Photos app so I can transfer it. It won't go straight from the Seesaw app. So what I'm going to have you do is you're going to click on your Seesaw app, open it up. Okay, I need you to click on your journal button. Okay, and then you can kind of scroll through and you should see a bunch of pictures. Make sure you are in the art class app or Seesaw part. It won't do you any good to be in the wrong spot. Okay, and we are only going to be taking finished projects. I know that we take pictures of our projects partially the way through just so I can check them, but I only want to deal with the actual finished projects, so you'll have to choose which one is best for that. All right, so for me, this is my finished Lion first grade project. What I'm going to do is, in order to transfer it, I go down here to the three dots, click on it. We're going to go to Share and Save. You can see that highlighted here. Click on it, and I'm going to save it to the camera roll. So that will save it automatically to that Photos app, even though it says camera roll. That's all the same thing. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, set it saved. Then I'm going to go down to my next one. This happens to be a kindergarten project, our Wayne Thiebaud cupcakes. I am going to share and save. I'm going to click camera roll again. It automatically saves. And I'm going to scroll down to my next one. This one was a first grade project of our Snowman at Night. I'm going to do the same thing, share, save. Then I'm going to save it to the camera roll. And then I'm just going to go through and I do all of mine. I'm just going to do one more here, just so we have a selection to look at. Share, save, camera roll. Okay. It's best just to do all your finished ones. It won't take very long to do. Then hit your home button. Okay, then go up to your Photos app. You can see that up here. For me, it's at the top. You may have it located in different spots. You'll just kind of have to find it. Okay, you can see all my photos here. And okay, so here's my lion. The problem is my lion is actually tilted sideways, so I need to fix that. That's pretty easy to fix. I'm going to go up to here to edit. And over here on the left side, you can see I'm kind of circling it with my finger there. This is the crop button. If I click that, okay, up at the top, it has a button. You can kind of see it jiggling at the top that I can click, and it will change the direction of the picture. That way it goes the correct way. It also allows me, you can see that my picture is actually pretty close, but I can still see the edges of the table underneath. I can actually take a second to kind of fix that so that I only see the actual picture. That way I don't see like my feet in there or anything like that, because sometimes when I take a photo, my feet are in the picture because of the way I took the photo. Once I got it exactly how I like it, I click Done. Then I can go to the back button up here at the top. You can see that over here when I jiggle it. And I can do the same thing to my other one. I need to do the same thing. I need to turn my photo. So I go to the crop button over here on the left. I rotate it until it goes the way I want. I'm going to trim it a little bit. Then I'm going to click Done. Go back, look at my next one. Oh, that's very tilted too. Click Edit. Crop button, rotate it, rotate it, rotate. There we go. Now this paper is supposed to be kind of slanted. That's why it looks slanted. But crop it a little bit. And the reason why I'm taking so much time making sure it looks so nice and cropped is because the app that we're going to use in a minute after this one does not allow us to do any editing, so it's best to do it here in the Photos app. Okay, once I've fixed all my photos that I'm going to be using, so you will have the option to do one photo or all of the best ones. So like here, this one's correct, but way too much table, so I'm going to do one more edit. Get it down so it doesn't take up so much table. There we go. Done. Looking good. Done. All right. Once you have them all edited, then you can move on to the back button, and then you can actually hit home, and you're ready for the next part of the project, which is the Padlet part. So go on to the next video.